I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power.
The day has finally come where I shall be installing this puppy right here. It's a pre-performance cam. It's gonna be fun doing this. Hopefully I could get the heads done. I wasn't planning to, but I'm gonna try to scrape up the money to send them a prey. But we'll see. Intake manifold down. We're out. It's sitting right there. We're about to at least let loose the headers and take off like all the wiring and stuff. Then I'm gonna cover up the head ports so I could let it sit there for a couple of days till I get off of work so I could start again. It got dark. I'm done for today. Whew. I just took the intake manifold off and took a couple of clips off, one side of the header bolts and a couple other little things, but for today that's it. Tomorrow or when I get off, I'll do the rest. But hopefully all this will be worth it at the end.